Hi everyone! With the help of modern technology, marble extraction has become much easier than it was a few centuries ago. And this is not surprising. After all, people have realized that this material is ideal as a facing and decoration, and therefore, the demand for it will surely grow. Today, marble is world-renowned for its splendor and sophistication, and is used for decorative works and landscape design. How is it extracted? Now let's talk about exactly that. Because the technology of extraction is no less fascinating than its stunning appearance. Now, the extraction process can vary depending on the individual characteristics of the stone: its structure, hardness, monolithicity, homogeneity, the size of the deposit itself, the presence of cracks, and the ability to split. And what is separately important, before mining such a marble block, it is necessary to remove all excess rock. Where is the material extracted? To date, for these purposes, it is more often used for quarries than mines. Basically, the extraction process takes place using specialized machinery. Let's figure out which one. Let me put it this way: in most cases, new marble blocks are extracted and processed with the help of far more than one kind, and not even two kinds of machines. For this purpose, stone cutting machines are used. They can be rope or disc, all depending on the size of the blocks that are required in the final version. Stone cutters with steel ropes, which act as cutting elements used for cutting large blocks. Well, where without such a powerful technique in this difficult business, also need bar machines, which, due to the presence of a long blade, are used to obtain large blocks. And of course, do not do without circular saws without teeth, whose purpose is to cut blocks of medium size and tiny. The performance of marble machines is increased by reinforcing their cutting parts. These machines have several saws that can be used both to make horizontal and vertical cuts. Many of the equipment models are equipped with a system that allows automatic movement across the entire face on rails. The modern mining technology looks like this. Specialized machinery makes several slits and channels in the block, reaching up to 79 feet long and 10 feet deep. Afterward, large cranes extract the massive blocks from the quarries. Therefore, the raw marble is cut using a large saw with the toughest blade. Cutting a block of marble usually takes about 8 hours, considering its weight and thickness. During the work, the blade is watered with water mixed with sand. This creates the necessary friction, and the stone becomes more pliable to the process of further processing and does not crack. But it's still not quite the presentable look of marble, wouldn't you agree? And for this stage of processing, when all the big technological machines have already done their job, the material is subjected to one of two types of treatment. This is either the thermal variant, when the stone is subjected to heat to high temperatures or pressure, or the mechanical option. This includes the process of polishing, grinding, sawing with the help of machines. In the next step, the piece of marble is firmly attached to a rounder grinder, and only then the surface of the stone gets an even appearance. Again, using water mixed with sand and the rotation of the machine itself. But you have to get the material perfectly smooth, don't you? For this, a sanding process is used. Then, using a polishing wheel and special mixtures of oxide, oxalic acid, and tin, the material is polished. You think that's it? Well, it's not. The stone extracted from the depths of deposits is delivered to a stone cutting factory, where it is subjected to further processing. There, on special machines, the material is cut to the required shape and size. After obtaining a perfect surface, marble is offered for sale. In addition, marble sand and crumbs are often used in the national economy. As for transportation, recycled stone is mainly transported by rail. Transportation in containers is the most economical way, but this does not cancel the fact that other types of transportation can be used by air, water, or road. To safely transport the material from place to place, fragile stone is packed in special crates or a pyramid, two stapled metal posts. In either case, the structure is tightly secured with straps. To prevent the marble from spoiling from friction with the belt, additional packing material is laid between them. Another important condition is that the transportation of marble slabs is carried out only in a vertical position. Hiab reinvents hook lifting efficiency and safety with innovative and industry-leading digital technology. HiVision. Have you heard anything about it yet? The combination of the external cameras and sensors with in-cab surveillance and control technology provides uncompromising safety and productivity on any job. Obstacle detection software is an added safety feature that minimizes the risk of injury to people or damage to equipment. The GU70 chainsaw is the world's most powerful machine for discovering and exploring tunnel caves. Thanks to a sling on the front frame, the track carrying the boom can rotate 360 degrees to make vertical and horizontal cuts in the tunnel surface. One operator is sufficient to operate the machine. This model includes a radio control and jack on the standard tracked undercarriage. This chainsaw can make cuts 125 inches deep in hard stone and marble. The machine can be configured to meet specific customer requirements. Discover Immerse self-loading trailers, 79,300 pounds in 3.5 minutes. This company's side loaders, also known as skid steer loaders, are self-loading trailers or trucks used primarily for loading and unloading shipping containers. With a standard payload capacity of 79,300 pounds, it can easily move a fully loaded container in record time. With Immerse, you can save time and money by offering your customers a new, flexible, and improved service. Lift, move, and transport with one vehicle and operator anywhere, anytime. An extremely unusual attachment from Dizini has simply exploded the world market. Their giant chainsaw is designed to be mounted on the CAT 432D backhoe loader and is designed to take full advantage of the machine's hydraulics. The saw can be operated directly from the cab, and you can control the height and angle of the saw. And while most quarry workers would prefer to stay in the cab, the company offers optional radio control of this attachment. Also, you can control the cutting line from different angles. That's all, friends. Today you have fully penetrated the secrets in all the stages of marble extraction technology, moreover both in former times and in our modern times. You're welcome to text in the comments what impressed you the most, and don't forget to click the like button. See you soon!